Huh? Huh?
Nature. Sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep. It actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear Nature, welcome home.
Still don't know what's best for your plants. Tried everything, but still failed miserably? Introducing Wázai, the smartest bonsai ever. Monitor your growing process anytime. With built-in daylight sensors providing corresponding suggestions, offering you professional shading advice for your plants. With the massive water tank, Wázai automatically adjusts its watering frequency and smartly distributes water, keeping plants alive when you're on vacation. Grow anything with precision. Enjoy every bit of greenery in your household. Wázai, the smartest bonsai ever.